Hey. Well, that was awkward, which brings me to my original purpose of this video. Awkward animals. So, awkward animals are kind of fun because it's kind of a way for you to kind of signify that something's kind of gotten a little bit awkward, you know? Just kind of help you tell everybody, you know, right now I feel a little bit weird. Feel a little bit weird right now, you know? Might want to do a little bit of an awkward turtle, and oh no, oh, awkward turtle flipped over. Now it's really awkward. And all of a sudden, awkward turtle had awkward baby turtles. But what else? There's got to be something else out there. There's got to be something more. Let's say you're telling a joke at a party, and then all of a sudden, nobody gets it. And that's when I said, you know, well, why didn't you just change the tire? Did you get that one? Because did you get that joke? No, I didn't. I did not. Well, looks like it's time to rip out the awkward bunny. Let's say that you're walking down the street and you see someone that you think you know. Oh, hi! Hey, friend! I don't know who they are. I don't know who that is. I've never met him before in my life. Friend! Oh, not who I thought you were. Well, maybe it's time to pull out the awkward giraffe. Let's say you're walking around your room and you scratch your butt because, you know, you don't think anybody's there. And then your dad walks in. Ooh, that feels so good. I've had a wedgie so bad today. Hey, son? You scratching your rear end right there? What you doing, boy? Ah, yeah. Didn't see you there. Well, then maybe, just maybe, it's time to pull out the awkward velociraptor. Let's say there's a girl that comes down and sits next to you, and you're kind of interested in this girl, and she says, "Would you like to go on a date this Friday night?" Would you like to go on a date this Friday night? Well, yes. I've been waiting for you to ask me that for such a long time. Talking on my Bluetooth. That's really, really, really awkward. Time to pull out the awkward unicorn. Let's say that you got your iPod in. Let's say you got some iTunes on, and you're jamming out to it, and it gets to a really cool part, and you start singing with it, you know? What you singing there, bud? Lion King. Well, I came in here to grab this, so I'll be leaving. So, bye. When that happens, it looks like it's time to bring out Awkward Predator. So that's all I have right now. Hope you enjoy those. Some of those are copyright Josh Jackson. Some of those are copyright Amanda Hawkins. Some of those are copyright somebody that I've never met before. Love you guys. Awkward. This is such a strange. I feel really weird. Bye. Awkward palm tree. Oh my god, you sound like Predator.